Hey guys, it's your girl Elizabeth. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through a clean girl makeup tutorial. Just a gentle reminder, I have clothes on. And before I forget, if you aren't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below because it's all much fun. So let us get started. Skin is already moisturized and all that. So I'm going to fill in my eyebrows and this foundation. And for my eyebrows, I'm using a brown pencil, not black. But I hear that you can finish off your ends with a black pencil. We're done with the eyebrows. We're going to our next step, and I'm using this Fit Colors foundation in the shade 06. And yeah, I'm going to put a small amount here. Taking this brush, I don't use quite a lot. Then I spread it just like that. I make sure I apply everywhere under my eyes, and then whatever is left on this brush, I apply it on my forehead, just like that. Guys, look at that finish. So nice, so glowy. I'm going to use this Elegal Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I only apply minimal concealer and just selected areas like that. I don't apply much, and then I'm going in with this Shorty Pro foundation. I'm going to use it like to a little bit contour. You know, they say clean girl makeup should not use much. That's why. Then I'm going to use a damp beauty blender like that and just apply to places I want. Just lightly, just to give color and yeah. The same damp beauty blender, I'm going to now blend in the concealer. Make sure you blend in everything so that it can be seamless and nice. I'm going to use my all-time favorite blush, and blush is a clean girl's best friend in makeup. And yeah, I don't want to use a lot. Nice. And in everything so that it can settle. We are going to set our face, and I'm using this for professional setting spray. I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup setting powder and set my under eyes and around this area. Sorry. I'm going to use this powder puff and remove any excess powder. Then I apply under my eyes and just I'm applying this like to reduce the shine on my under eyes areas of applied concealer. Just next, I'm going to use this compact powder. It's the LA Girl compact powder in the shade Porcelain. So I'm still going to use this same powder puff and just like that. My hand is a mess. I'm going to apply to areas I have foundation like that. And then using the same powder, I'm going to use it under my eyes like that. Like, I can't remember which creator I saw this. I think it's Witcher, and I really like it. It's just reduce the for those who don't like bright under eyes. This is the best way you can go. Make sure that this powder is almost same shade as your, what do you call this, your foundation. And yeah, so and look at that. I'm going to go in with this blush from Kiss Beauty. Mm, it complements my skin tone very well, and it sits so nicely on the cheeks. And look at that. I'm going to add some here. And yeah, I'm going to set my face with the same setting spray. I'm going to put powder on my these lashes before I go in with the mascara. And yeah, so you can see my eyes have powder. I'm going in with this mascara from Kiss Beauty. All my products are Kiss Beauty because they are most affordable products in Kenya. And yeah, just like that. Difference between here and here. They give volume and they elongate a little bit the lashes. And next, the lips. I'm using this pencil from Avis or the, no, Air Woman. I'm going to go in with this My Color lip gloss. It's a tinted lip gloss. It has colors and it's flavored. So guys, this is how my lips look. Let me go and fix everything up. Then I come look at this mess. Just a gentle reminder, I have clothes on. The mirror has a reflection, So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This video has come to an end. If you're not subscribed with this channel, make sure you do. I just want to show you this. Make sure you do. And